Lavanya. Welcome back to another Photowalk episode. For this one, we'll be going to Majnu Tila, which is in North Delhi. So, Majnu Tila is basically a Tibetan colony set up by Tibetan refugees. And I'm also going there for the first time, so I've just figured out the route. You can take a metro and get off at Vishwavidyalaya metro station to reach there. I'm getting pretty late, so I'm just going to cut this intro in short. And yeah, let's get started.